Thank you, Natasha, and Dean Goldberg, faculty honored guests. On behalf of the 40,000 worldwide Harvard Law School alumni, it's my privilege to welcome you to the HLS alumni ranks. I'm Judge Yvonne Campos, a 1988 Juris Doctor graduate from San Diego, California. I'm a state trial court judge, a former assistant United States attorney, and a former Big Law associate. It's my honor to serve as president of your Harvard Law School Association. It was 40 years ago that I set foot on this campus and began my HLS adventure. You and I have shared life experiences as HLS alumni, especially if you took classes from Martha Minow or Todd Rakoff, as I did, or if you participated in trial advocacy workshop or board of student advisors, as I did. We've each sat in the Langdale Library or Austin Hall or the Hark, and we've each completed first-year Ames Moot Court. And we've each learned how to think like first-rate lawyers based on centuries of wisdom passed down to us. We've a shared life experience, thanks to Harvard Law School, and thus we have affinity for each other as fellow alumni. I hope that your Harvard Law School affiliations will remain as long-standing and rewarding as mine have. Over the past 40 years, I've returned to campus to attend class reunions and celebration of women and Latino alumni, to teach for a week at a time for a number of years in trial advocacy workshop, and just to run into old or make new friends in the legal profession. So you may ask yourself, what is the HLSA, the Harvard Law School Association, and why should I care? Almost 140 years ago, November 5th, 1886, the Harvard Law School Association was founded by 400 HLS alumni during Harvard University's 250th anniversary. The founding alumni held a dinner banquet in the Hemingway Gymnasium. Judge Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. delivered a memorable oration, and he later became a president of the Harvard Law School Association. So the mission of the HLSA is to advance the cause of legal education, to promote the interests and increase the usefulness of the Harvard Law School, and to promote mutual acquaintance and good fellowship among all members of the association. The HLSA is an association of volunteer alumni dedicated to helping you maintain your connections to Harvard Law School and your fellow alumni. We're the social end of your alumni experience. Consider us your combination faculty leader and BSA advisor for the alumni phase of your HLS experience. We have the benefit of alumni relations staff on campus to help us carry out our mission of alumni engagement. The HLSA is made up of geographic clubs and shared interest groups worldwide. With today's technology, you can participate in HLSA alumni programming no matter where you live, and HLS alumni truly are everywhere. When you attend international conferences such as the International Bar Association or the International Trademark Association, you'll find HLS alumni there, eager to greet you and network. The HLSA activities hosted range from legal lectures qualifying for continuing legal education credit to attendance at sporting events, courthouse tours, art museums, or family picnics. The volunteers involved drive how the alumni interactions take place. Most importantly, membership is free. Most importantly, membership is free, as are many of our events. So as an alumnus, you are automatically members of the HLSA, and you can take advantage of the organization's offerings and community. If you ever find yourself out of touch with Harvard Law School, please visit the school's website and look under the alumni section. Update your contact information and you'll be notified about global events. Now, I'm simply one of many people here to congratulate you on your graduation from Harvard Law School. This is a big life event. I hope you enjoy it and that you take the time to thank all those wonderful people in your life who made this possible. You likely won't remember who I am or a thing I've said. You're already looking forward to the next life steps. And you have all the answers that you need, especially if you attended the last lectures. Follow Professor Martha Minow's advice to just be kind. Unless, of course, you're being threatened with destruction, in which case you have to fight for your life. If any of you didn't enjoy your Harvard Law School experience, I hope you'll give HLS another shot during your alumni lifetime. I've actually had more fun here as an alumna than I did as a student. HLS is no longer the paper chase, 1L, or even Legally Blonde. It's definitely not Suits, even if your class may have at least one Lewis Lit in your midst. You've had your own era here with its own traditions and memories, and you join a long list of alumni who've left a mark on this world, whether presidents or prime ministers, law firm partners or professors, justices or judges, authors, nonprofit leaders, stay-at-home parents, or high school teachers. Each HLS graduate offers something to better our world. However you end up utilizing your HLS degree, I hope that you're also able to prioritize your lives and leave room for activities outside of your work. There will be so much more to your life than just the law and the legal profession. Guard your time and your souls. Your professional reputation will always be all you have in a profession geared towards trustworthy counseling. So I conclude by welcoming you with open arms to the Harvard Law School Association, your HLSA. I will look for you at future events once you've settled into wherever you're going. And I hope that at least one of you in this audience will have the chance to welcome the Harvard Law School class of 2065 into the Harvard Law School Association in 40 years' time. Best wishes and congratulations, class of 2025.